Do it with your own risk. I don't responsible if any possible damage with your action camera. Hey everyone, welcome back to Brown Musa content. So I have this AKASO for 1 week. I buy it a second hand, and the first owner just use it for 1 month, and I have half price from the new AKASO. The problem start when I turn on the AKASO and I put my SD card to the SD card port on AKASO V50x. Its notification says format your micro SD, and after I format micro SD and record for 10 minutes in 4K and I turn off the AKASO V50x, it says again format the fucking micro SD. I don't understand why. I just format the micro SD, but it give me another notification to format micro SD. So I format it again, and the record file that I record is gone. The second problem is when I buy another micro SD, SanDisk Ultra 64 gigabytes. Another notification in my AKASO is micro SD speed is slow. So I email about my problem to AKASO customer service, and they send me a new firmware of AKASO V50x. Before I update the new version of firmware, the soft version is 2027, and after I update the soft version of firmware is 2020 11.9. I want to share to you guys how to update a firmware, and you can get the file from my description of this video. So before you do that, I just want to you do it with your own risk. Do it with your own risk. I don't responsible if any damage to your AKASO V50x. Or before you do that, just email the customer service of AKASO. So let's start how to do it. The first thing you do is download the file from my description. After that, you get this file, V50x IMX, okay, and extract it without password. Just extract to here, extract it, and you get the extract of the file. Okay, so make sure you have all of this file. You can pause the video. The first thing is app config media app bin media app zip raw param back res image underscore zip root fs uboot and all match. Is just 11 items. Before you copy the SD card from your PC to the SD card, make sure you format the SD card full format, not quick format. Okay, format card, uncheck quick format. Okay, and confirm. Okay, format successful. After this, you have just unplug the SD card and plug into your PC with card reader. After that, you copy the 11 item to your SD card. You can use a 64 gigabytes SD card, but before you put it in your SD card, you have to full format your SD card from your AKASO. Okay, plug into your card reader. Plug in your card reader to the PC like this, and copy this file and paste in here, not on any folder but in here, USB drive F. You paste the data in here, okay, not any folders. Okay, so plug out the SD card from your computer, plug in your AKASO. But make sure the AKASO is turned off. Okay, make sure the AKASO is turned off. Make sure the AKASO turn off. I said again. Okay, don't turn on the AKASO. Don't turn on the AKASO. This process, don't turn on the AKASO. Okay, don't turn on the AKASO. Okay, press volume up button in your AKASO and don't turn on it. Press and hold the volume up button in your AKASO. Okay, still hold and plug in a micro USB power to your AKASO. Still hold it. Still hold it until the blue light come. In this process, don't turn on your AKASO. Don't turn on or your AKASO or stop the or plug out this power. Just wait till maybe 3 to 5 minutes. Don't panic if the Wi-Fi lamp is on. It's part of the process. And then the AKASO will be turned on automatically. Format your SD card and check the quick format. Full format your SD card from this AKASO. Format successful. And then reset your AKASO. Reset factory the AKASO V50x. Confirm. Okay, now you can use the new firmware of AKASO V50x without problem.